Here's the perfect phone mount for the Tesla Model 3. Start with a phone tripod clip like the Glif. Add a few common Gopro tripod and mount adapters. End with a flat adhesive mount, which also lets you unclip the whole mount later on. You can also use a cheaper phone clip like this one. See links for all the parts in the description. Stick the mount to the back corner of the screen in any position you like. The phone simply pops into the mount. Now you can keep an eye on Waze or any other apps while you drive. You can even flip the mount back when you're not using it. It's a perfectly placed, simple, inexpensive mount to keep your phone in view.